Good day, everyone. It's your boy, Bonoro Chauke, the founder of Lunatic Education. And in today's lesson, we'll be focusing on water tariff. So, I saw that tariff is a challenge to many students and decided to make a video for you guys. So, guys, this is the table we're going to use. This is the tariff table we're going to use to calculate our costs. So, this is also the scenario that we're going to make an example with. Calculate the cost for 16 kiloliters. So our first step to take is to calculate that block 1 takes how many kiloliters. So we're going to simply do this. From 0 to 6 kiloliters, we know that it is 6 kiloliters. So we're going to say, or we're going to do 6 kiloliters times the price or the cost price on block 1, which is 3 rands and 9 cents. Here is 18 rands and 54 cents. That's our answer for block 1. So now we're moving to block 2. Oh, firstly, before we move to block 2, this 6 kiloliters, we're gonna need to subtract it from this 16 kiloliters we're working on, because we already deducted the 6 kiloliters. We already subtracted the 6 kiloliters. So now we left with 10. We're working on 10 kiloliters now. Block 2, which is from 6 to 10 kiloliters, we're gonna need to do 10 minus 6, and our answer is 4. So that's what we're going to use. We left it, we're going to use 4 kiloliters times the cost price on block 2, which is 5 rands and 40 cents, 21 rand and 60 cents for block 2. So since we got 4 kiloliters, we're gonna deduct 4 from this 10. 10 minus 4 kiloliters, we left with 6 kiloliters that we're working on. So for block 3, we're gonna go to block 3, and block 3, it says from 10 to 15, or from 10 to 15. We know that from 10 to 15 takes 5. So here we're gonna write 5 kiloliters times the cost price on block 3, which is 6 rand and 21 cents. That answer is 31 rand and 5 cents for block 3. So you're gonna deduct this 5 from this 6 kiloliters we were working on, minus 5 kiloliters. Then we left with 1. We left with 1 kiloliter. When we return back to the table, we are on block 4. So since we are on block 4, we know that from 15 to 20 takes 5, from 15 to 20 takes 5. So but because we left with 1 kiloliter, we're not going to use 5, because we left with 1 kiloliter. So instead, we're going to use 1, because 1 is what we left with. 1 times the cost price on block 4, which is 7 rands and 56 cents. And the answer is 7 rands and 56 cents. Now this makes sense, guys. There we were working on 16 kiloliters, and when you calculate all these kiloliters, they make 16. 6 plus 4 is 10, 5 plus 1 is 6. So 10 plus 6 gives us 16. So the last step to do is to add all this amount. Total equals to 18 rands and 54 cents plus 21 rands and 66 cents plus 31 rands and 5 cents plus 7 rands and 56 cents. Our answer is 78 rands and 81 cents. Then you are done with your water tariff. You were given 16. This makes 16. And your final answer is 78 rands and 81 cents. If you don't understand, please leave a comment in the comments. Oh, guys, also please don't forget to subscribe. Tango.